In this video, I'll be showing you how to see enemies better in Black Ops 7 and improve visibility. I'll be showing you the settings on PC. However, some of the settings and tips can be used on console. Start by opening the settings, then select Graphics. Go to the display mode option and set it to Full Screen Exclusive. Set the screen refresh rate to the highest refresh rate available for your monitor, and set display resolution to your screen's resolution or 1920 by 1080. Go down and open the brightness setting, then adjust the brightness accordingly to the guides. You can increase the brightness slightly to improve visibility in dark areas. I don't recommend setting your brightness too high as it will make the game look washed out. Apply if needed. Go back and find the Nvidia Reflex low latency setting. If you have it, then test playing with it set to On plus Boost and on. Depending on your PC, you may get better performance with one rather than the other. Typically, On plus Boost will be better. Turn off VSync, then go to Custom Frame Rate Limit and select Show More. Set the gameplay frame rate limit to your screen's refresh rate, then set menu to 60 and out of focus to 30. This will reduce the stress on your PC when you're not in a game. Scroll down and find the High Dynamic Range option if you have it, then turn it off. If you really want to play with HDR, then you could turn it on, but it isn't needed. Apply settings if needed, then head back up and switch to the quality options. Set upscaling sharpening to Fidelity FX CAS. Select Show More, then set the strength to about 90. Go down and find the depth of field setting, then turn it off. Set particle resolution to high. Go down to the shadow and lighting settings, then set shadow quality to low. Screen space shadows to off, occlusion and screen space lighting to low, screen space reflections to off, and static reflection quality to low. Apply if needed, then go back up and switch to the View tab. Set field of view between 90 and 120. If you find it hard to see players, then lowering your FOV can help make the players appear bigger, making enemies easier to see. However, you can see more to your sides with a higher FOV. I typically use 110 or 115. Set ADS field of view to affected and weapon field of view to wide or narrow. Turn off World Motion Blur and Weapon Motion Blur. Set first-person camera movement to least. Switch to the interface settings, then head up and select Readability. Go down and open the color customization options. Go to the color filter settings and set the color filter to Filter 2. Set color filter target to both, then set world and interface color intensity both to 100. Find the enemy color option and select it. Select custom color, then adjust the hue to pick a color you find easy to see. Typically, red, yellow, and purple are the best options. Make sure to set the saturation and brightness both to the maximum to make the enemy color easy to see. Select Apply Custom Color. Adjust any other colors to your liking. If you are playing Black Ops 7 on console or PC, then your TV or monitor may have settings that can help make enemies easier to see. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and gamma settings slightly to improve visibility. Just try not to make the game look washed out. I recommend taking a picture of your settings before changing them in case you don't like the changes. If your screen has sharpening or clarity settings, then increasing these slightly may also help improve visibility. Additionally, if your screen has saturation or vibrance settings, then increasing these will make your game more colorful. If you are on PC and have an Nvidia graphics card, then right-click on your desktop, then select Show More Options and open the Nvidia control panel. Select Adjust Desktop Color Settings from the side, then select the monitor you're using. Go down to the color options and increase the digital vibrance. This will make your monitor more colorful. Typically, I use between 70 and 80. Select the color channel menu, then set it to All Channels. Adjust your brightness, contrast, and gamma settings to try to improve visibility. The best settings will depend on your monitor and preference. However, you can open some screenshots from Black Ops 7 when adjusting the settings to make it look how you want. Click the Apply button if needed, then close and you will now be able to see enemies better in Black Ops 7. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.